Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cassandra. Today I will be guiding you through a Pilates Arm series. What you'll need is a resistance band and 2 light weights. I definitely recommend 2 or 3 pounds because we will be doing a lot of repetition. Once you have your props, let's get started right on our mat in a tabletop position. Come to 4-point kneeling. Okay, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. So just take a few cat and cows here to warm up the body. Let's drop the belly, lift the chest, lift the chin up. Exhale, round, chin to chest, tailbone under, press the mat away. 2 more, inhale, drop the belly, lift the chest, lift the chin. Exhale, round, chin to chest, tailbone under, press the mat away. 1 more time, inhale to drop. And then exhale, completely round. Making your way back towards a neutral spine. Let's just take that right arm up nice and high with our inhale, opening the chest. Exhale, we're gonna take right arm under the left, thread it through to a hover. So we're not going all the way, just reaching as far as you can. Inhale, let's lift, open the chest. Exhale, thread it through. Last time, inhale, lift. Exhale, thread it through. And then inhale, we're lifting right back up, arm overhead. Exhale, hand down, setting up the second side, warming up that left shoulder. Inhale, open up. Exhale, thread it to a hover. Inhale, lift. Exhale to hover. Last time, really finding your range, opening up as much as you can. And then exhale to thread through. We'll come back up with our inhale, last time. Exhale, land the hand down, pause there. For our first sequence, all you'll need is your band. So let's grab that band and place it on just above the wrist. So you don't want it on the wrist, you want it slightly below or above, depending the way you're looking at it. I'm gonna go sideways just so you can see alignment here. We wanna keep shoulders stacked over the hips so we're not slouching. We're sitting nice and tall, pulling navel to spine. Elbows are gonna hug in towards the ribs here, and you want tension on the band. So you're really pulling apart, getting into all those smaller muscles throughout the shoulder. Inhale, we hold. Exhale, we're gonna extend directly forward into a nice long line. Inhale is here, exhale is out. We go in and out, in and out, really keeping tension on the band. We move for 6, for 5, sitting up nice and tall, 4, last 3, for 2, we're gonna hold it out on 1, tiny pulses out, pull 10, 9, really feeling it in the outer shoulder, last 6, for 5, 4, 3, 2, you hold on 1. From here, we're gonna bend the elbows into 90 and then reach it back out. We go in and out, in and out, just to 90 and out, in and out. We move for 6, for 5, keep resistance on the band, 4, last 3, make sure you're breathing, for 2, last 1, hold, pulse it out again, for 10, pull, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, you hold on 1, we go up and down. I know it burns, my arms are shaking. We go up and down, keep pulling the band apart. We move for 6, for 5, 4, 3, for 2, hold it up on 1, pulse out last time, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it back down. Let's take a second. We are going to do that all again. Okay, so full breath in, deep breath out. You got this. Let's take it one more time, okay? And if sitting, kneeling is uncomfortable, you could also do this cross-legged or lift up onto the knees, whatever feels best for you. Or even if you want to take it standing, take it standing. All right, let's sit nice and tall with our inhale, shoulders stack over hips, navel pulls into spine. We'll start with those elbows bent and hugging in towards the ribs. Inhale, we hold. Exhale, we kick it out to shoulder height. We go in and out, in and out, in and out. We move for 6, for 5, inhale, for 4, for 3, last 2, Hold it out on 1, pulse it out for 10. Pull, 9, you got this. 8, for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold 1, we bend it in and lengthen out just to 90. This goes in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Last 5, navel to spine. For 4, sit a little taller. 3, for 2, we hold it in on 1, pulse the arms out. 10, pull 9, my shoulders are hurting. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we go up. This goes up and down. Whoo, up and down. We got it. Up and down, up and down. Last 6, for 5, 4, last 3, for 2, keep resistance on the band. 1, pulse it out. We go out, 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 out. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Good job. Let's release. Take that band off completely. Okay, once that band is out of the way, let's come up to kneeling and grab our weights here. Again, if kneeling is uncomfortable, you can always double pad up your mat, put a blanket under the knees, or you could do this standing as well, or even cross-legged, whatever feels best for you today. Okay, we're working more into the shoulders. I'm going to start off facing you just so you can see alignment. Again, shoulders over hips, hips over knees, so we're in a nice long line. We're going to start with a lateral raise, lifting up, keeping a soft bend in the elbows, and then lowering down. We lift this up, up, for 2, and down, for 2. Core is braced the whole time. Down, for 2. We lift it up. We lower down just to shoulder height. Lift, and lower down. Last 5. Lift, and lower. Lift, and lower. We move for 3. Lift, and lower. Last 2. Lift, and lower. Last 1. Hold it up. Pulse it up. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, on 1. Flip the palms up. We go up and down. Up and down. Keep a soft bend in the elbows. For 6, for 5, last 4, arms at shoulder height. For 3, we move for 2. You hold it up on 1, tiny pulses up. For 10, 9, brace the core. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop those arms down. I'm going to turn side for this next one just so you can see. We're going to come into a front raise this time. So similar idea, just weights directly in front of the shoulders. Keep the core braced and make sure we're not swinging hips forward and back as we're doing this. You're going to hurt your back if you're doing that. Yeah. So we're keeping our hips over our knees, core braced, just lifting the arms, isolating, and then lowering back down. If it feels comfortable to tuck your toes, you can even tuck the toes too. Do what feels best. We lift for 2. We lower for 2. We lift for 2. We lower for 2, up for 2, and down for 2. Try not to move the torso, and down. We have 4, and down. Last 3, and down. We move for 2, and down. Last 1, hold it up, pulse it up. We lift for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold on 1, flip the palms, up and down, up and down, up and down. For 6, last 5, we move for 4, 3, 2, you hold it up on 1, pulse again. This goes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's lower those arms down. Now we're going to put those two together. Okay, I'm going to turn back to the front just so you can see what we're doing here. We're going to go up, front, down. Then we reverse it. Up, open, down. Again, we lift up, front, and down. Try not to rock the torso. Up, open, and down. Keep it moving. This goes up, front, and down. Soft bend of the elbows. Up, open and down. 6 more. Up, close and down, nice and slow. Up, open and down. Last 4. Up, close and down. We go up, open and down. Last 2. Up, close and down. Last 1. Up, open and down. Now we add our pulses. Lift it up, pulse it up. We go for 10. 9, last round. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You hold on 1, flip the palms. Flip and lower. You got this. Flip and lower. Flip and lower. Last 5. For 4, 3, for 2. We're not done yet. Last 1. Bring it forward. Hold it up. Pulse it up. We lift for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Flip the palms. We go down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Last 6. For 5. My arms are shaking. Last 4. You got this. For 3. For 2. And 1. Let's hold it down. Pulse up. Then we're done. For 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open out. Drop it down. Holy. Release those weights. We'll set them off to the side and we'll take a quick stretch to finish. You can come to kneeling, you can come to seated, whatever feels best. Just take right hand down, left arm up with your inhale, lean it over to the right side, stretching out, and we're just gonna drop that arm down, gaze to the floor. Inhale, lift it back up, stack the shoulders. Exhale, drop down, release. Inhale, lift. Last time, we're gonna hold it at the top. This time, lift back up, keep the arm extended. Right hand catches onto left wrist, flip the palm up, and then just take a side bend, pulling that left arm up and over for 3, 2, 1. Let's do the same thing, other side. Release, left hand down, right arm up. Inhale, find length. Exhale, find your side bend, lean on over, soft bend in the elbows. Drop the arm with an inhale. Lift it back up. 1 more big circle. Lift it up. Again, we're gonna hold at the top, really find that length. Inhale to lift up, and then catch onto the right wrist. Let's flip that right palm up. Inhale to press, exhale to lean. Inhale back up. Exhale, release. Last shoulder stretch here. Make sure you have space in front of you for this next one. Hands are gonna interlace behind us. Roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, lift the chin up. We're gonna hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, neutral spine. You can either stay or take this all the way forward, coming into a child's pose with those arms lifted overhead, really stretching out the shoulders for 3. Shoulders away from ears, 2, and 1. Inhale, let's lift back up nice and slow. And then once we are back up, just give those arms a little shake. All right, great job today. I hope your arms are feeling all right, a little stronger, maybe a little sore. I will see you next time for the next video. Bye.